Leo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting the week of 14th Feb. Before I go ahead with the video, a very happy Valentine's Day to all of you out there. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you want. But for me, the top row is always for the sign I'm doing the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what we have for you this week. Okay. Now, what I see for you, Leo, is you have the 10 of Swords, the Strength card, and the Page of Cups. Your person has the Moon card, Justice, and the World card. Now, this is really something that I want to highlight and tell you. Your person has all major arcanas this week, okay? Now, bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Wands, which means either you or your person definitely can expect a new beginning. However, that beginning is based out of a lot of physical attraction instead of a lot of emotional connection with the other person. Okay. Now, what I see for you for this particular week, Leo, is you have the 10 of Swords, okay? Now, when I have the 10 of Swords, it means that somebody was backstabbed and you feel that particular energy right now. So, you feel that you were backstabbed. There was something that was not told to you, okay? Something that has happened where you feel that you were betrayed, and this is something which has gone ahead and caused a lot of anxiety, a lot of tension, and you feel very down right now. You feel that this is like the end of the world, but no, that's not the case, because you show up in your own video, and it shows the Strength card, which is again the Leo energy, which means whatever is happening right now with you for this particular week, take it as an experience. If it's a bad one, take it as an experience, a learning, and you will have all the strength to go ahead and pick yourself up and rise and shine again, because the very next card for you shows that you have the Knight of Cups energy. Now, the Knight of Cups energy will only come after you take all the courage from within yourselves and you pick yourself up, because post that there will be that one phase where you will march forward. Now, the Knight energy is something that is really fast. You don't plan it. It's like they go ahead, they just go in and they don't plan what they want to go ahead and do. So you will feel a lot of love and emotion for somebody, or somebody will feel that for you and they will come rushing towards you. Now, the only drawback of a Knight energy is that because it's unplanned, okay, it doesn't stay, so it's not very stable. So that's something that you might want to be a little careful about this week. Now, if you are in this particular relationship, what your person has the Moon energy, the Justice card, and the World card. The Moon energy here definitely shows that your person was either hiding something from you, and that has brought in a lot of anxiety and tension, because now the Justice card has come out showing that whatever was hidden, they can't hide it and they have to give justice to you. Okay, if that's the situation, please feel free to reverse if the story is going the other way around. Okay, because somebody who was not told the truth definitely will get to know what the truth was, what was the fact that was not told to them, and that's when justice will happen. They will end this particular cycle and they will start a fresh new cycle, is what I see from the cards. Okay, so you can expect maybe some kind of information coming towards you this particular week. Okay, so just be open and just keep your eyes and ears open. You can expect something coming in. Now, let's quickly see what is the intention of your person for this week. Spirit, can I have one card here to see what is the intention of this person for Leo for this particular week? Can I have one card here? Okay, the Hierophant. Now, the intention of this person is really nice. It is the Hierophant, which is the Taurus energy. They definitely want to take this forward towards a very committed relationship. They want to build a family with you. When the Hierophant comes, it means a marriage, a very stable, committed relationship that they expect to go ahead and build with you. Now, let's take one more card here. Okay, now if you see over here, I have the Knight of Cups. Now I have the Knight of Wands. Now this person, okay, has a very passionate energy right now, which means that they are currently looking at only the physical aspect of the relationship. Okay, so like I said, knights are somebody who don't plan anything, they rush in and they don't stay. Okay, so that's the only drawback about a Knight. So you might want to be a little careful. Okay, if that's something that you get the vibe about, have that open-ended conversation with them. Okay, now the next one that I see, okay, now this is really good because you have the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Wands is again somebody who rushes in, doesn't stay, just looks for the physical aspect of the relationship. But the Knight of Cups is somebody who again will definitely rush in, but this Knight of Cups is a little better than the Knight of Wands because they have love and emotion towards you. So that's a good sign that I see from this person. Okay, the intention is definitely starting off with just the physical thing, but it's gradually moving towards the emotional connect towards you. Now let's also see what is the archangel message for you for this week, and we'll also take a crystal which can help you in this situation. So Spirit, can I have one card here, please? Can I have one card? Okay, now the message that I see for you, okay, from the archangels is from Archangel Raphael, and the crystal for you is green calcite. Now the crystal message is, are you having a change of heart? Do you find that you are having a hard time changing the way you look at love and friendship? The only constant in life is change. Take the time to adjust and nurture yourself as change takes place. Honor and accept change. The message that I have for you from Archangel Raphael, I'll put it in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you here today, Leo. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first. Thank you.